Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to reply by saved replies on Instagram. So if you want to reply quickly, then you can reply with the saved replies, which are basically replies which you have already set up to use them in a hurry. So before we start, you want to first go to your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for Instagram and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now you want to go ahead and open up a conversation where you want to send the quick replies or saved replies. Now here at the bottom, you'll need to go ahead and find this icon here, just next to the plus sign. So these are all your saved replies. If you already have created some, you'll see some of these here. However, if you haven't, go ahead and tap on New Saved Reply. Now you want to go ahead and create a shortcut. So let's just say L, and then go ahead and write a message. And then tap on Save. So now this is your saved reply, where if you write L, it'll put down as I love you. However, you can go ahead and add it from here as well, your saved replies, as you can see. If you tap on L and then you tap on the saved reply, it'll then convert it into that long replies. To use your saved replies, you can go ahead and tap on this icon here next to the plus sign, and then go ahead and select your saved reply, and that will send it on your behalf. So there you go, guys. That is how to reply by saved replies on Instagram.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.